Fabulous floor plan on this 5+ bedroom / 6 bath Hampton Cove beauty. Lake views out front, short stroll to the Hampton house, side screened porch and front and back covered porches, true southern design. On main level, master bedroom plus guest suite plus 2 more small BRs off kitchen, currently used as his/her home offices. Wide foyer opens to formal dining room and great room west/fireplace. Endless cabinetry west/2 dining areas in well-designed kitchen, granite, stainless steel appliances, tile floor, and pantry. MSD bath total Reno 18. Upstairs, 2 large fun spaces for pool, games, media center west/wet bar. 2 more BRs/2 baths. All this in established Hampton Cove and Hood West/award-winning schools. Hampton House membership.